Want to sort your data by values inside a pivot table? I'm here to help. I'm Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to sort data by values inside an Excel pivot table. Now let's get started.
First, let's open an Excel spreadsheet here. I have a demo pivot table showing different departments along with their sales numbers. Now, if you look closely at the pivot table, you'll notice something. The departments are sorted alphabetically, such as automobile, baby, beauty, and so on, and that's completely normal. By default, Excel sorts row labels alphabetically. But sometimes that's not what we want. Instead of alphabetical order, we might want to see which department has the highest sales and which ones are lower. So let's change the sorting. First, click the small drop-down arrow next to the row labels. This opens a menu with several options. You'll see things like sort A to Z or sort Z to A, but those options only sort the department names, not the sales values. So instead, click on More Sort options. A new window will open where you can control exactly how the pivot table is sorted. From here, you can choose either ascending or descending order. In this example, I'm going to choose descending because I want the highest sales numbers at the top. Next, look at the Sort by drop-down and make sure you select the Values field. In this case, the sales field for the department, this tells Excel to sort the pivot table based on the numbers, not the department names. Once everything is set, click OK. Now the pivot table has been rearranged automatically. The department with the highest sales appears at the top, which in this example is jewelry. And the department with the lowest sales is now at the bottom, such as games. So this confirms that the pivot table is now sorted by values instead of labels. And that's how you sort data by values inside an Excel pivot table.